Oh, yo, more talk about one project what we're going to do. So, I think I talk about it already, but I'm going to go more in detail. So, we plan for now is make jerk season pepper sauce and sell it. So, instead of sell the pepper, then we're going to create the pepper sauce and sell it. So, yo, if you're interested in a pepper sauce, yo, link me up. Let me know, yo, if you think of a good idea, let me know is it. But I love to hear from you if you know if I want a good idea or what. Oh, merci. Yeah, what's up? We're back again. So, yo, today the rain kind of give me a break. So, I see me can pick as much pepper as I can because, yo, as I know, you can't pick pepper in a rainy time. But, you never really, you know, give me the option because rain fall for the last 2 weeks straight. So, kind of get a break. So, I get an order for a certain amount of pepper. So, I pick some pepper to fulfill the order there. See it? So, yo, we're there. Well, so I come now, I feel now, I realize, say, no for me tree them. Remember me that telling you about one part of the pepper field me plant down now and drainage like. So I realize, say, the pepper them, the water, basically I drown the pepper. I realize, say, the leaf them a change color and something upon the pepper them. So not more than say, yo, the water I drown the pepper them. And then a lack of nitrogen. Me think of nitrogen they lack off, but on the nitrogen it's the excess water, and because I don't have the proper drainage in it, so it a drown the pepper them. So we come today now. I not do much cleaning up today. I basically come for reap today. So yo, I have a next youth down there, so I pick pepper with me. So we'll see as much as we can get today. As you can see how the pepper them looking mighty fine, as one YouTuber would say. So there I go and pick. And when I realize, say, yo, I have a lot of yellow pepper. I have a lot of yellow pepper today. So yo, alright, so basically rain fall. We not get to pick as much pepper as we want, but we pick quite a few. But when me did I go through the field, what I realize now is that majority of the leaf them start to get yellow. Now me that tell some they think of nitrogen and me not feel like a nitrogen in lack. I feel like the excess water where the rain fall it a drown the pepper them. Me assume me not really sure it, and me not really have nobody me can ask. Cause can I link my extension officer, because my extension officer they're busy. Me a small fry compared to my extension officer. But if nobody know what could have cause the pepper them to get yellow, like them are dead for me or something, yo, give me a link in the comment from the place, because me really don't know. And I really want to know so I can correct it before it's too late. Now, for the one them way, I realize say, them not blossom as much. They not blossom as much. So me either two things, either the water or probably me do something, me mix some chemical wrong or something, me probably put too much chemical on it or something, and me put too little bit of a chemical on it. And me still have a snail problem then. Me throw like, me probably throw about 5 pounds worth of pepper with snail eat. So I still have a snail problem. And I spray last week. I spray last week, like last week Thursday I spray. And the snail is active again, same way I feel. So, but that I still, me the want to show you when we pick, but because I rain, and if anybody know how me can something, what me can do for prevent the rain from damage the pepper them, like after me pick them, after harvest. Because as I know you're not supposed to pick pepper during rain. When rain fall, you have to wait till like on sunny day pick pepper. But because rain has been falling for 2 weeks straight, So the pepper them, what the pepper them are do are rotten, them are ripe and rotten on the tree. So me come and pick them off. Plus me have orders. Couple people want pepper to buy. So what me I gonna do now is me I gonna go down, get one big sheet or something and throw the pepper them in there and try to dry them the way they. But if you have no other way where me can do for get for dry the pepper them so the water does not damage the pepper them, please link up for me, I know you see it. Back of me have one of my friend them I work with me. You see it? You know if in camera shy or what. So I'm not gonna link him. But as you can see behind me, the tree, rain come like fertilizer for them grass. As soon as the rain, the grass and spring up faster than ever. So the pepper they not like too much of the rain. The grass and love the rain. So I don't know. Alright, so you also want to tree them I tell about. So I realize that several trees like this then through the farm where the leaf then get yellow. Them have some brown spot on it and the leaf them a drop off. Me that thing say yo, a nitrogen then lock as me say, but yo, me don't know. So if nobody know, yo, link me up. And me have couple well, and when me realize say is when they stay like this, they not blossom, they not do nothing. So if they can recover, anybody know if they can recover, let me know. Is it? Watch out. Got 3 field, and I still a buck up on ripe pepper. So I'm done pick. I think I cover everything, but I still have more pepper. I don't finish pick at all. Still a fine pepper. See. So yeah, see pepper them. So they look like here. Oh yo, nobody know which I can get like the original pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper seed them for buy because I link a brother and him something. And he messed me up and me tell you so I really want the original one them for buy this time. So yeah, when I do my next batch of pepper are the original them I use and not the knockoff or the crossbreed. So yeah, if nobody know which I can get some original pepper for buy, yo, link me up, you see it. Oh yo, more talk about one project what we're gonna do. So I think I talk about it already, but I'm gonna go more in detail. So we plan for now is make jerk season pepper sauce and sell it. So instead of sell the pepper then we're gonna create the pepper sauce and sell it. So yo, if you're interested in a pepper sauce, yo, link me up. Let me know, yo, if you think of a good idea, let me know is it. But I love to hear from you if you know if I want a good idea or what. That's it. So pepper, so I'm turning from pepper man to jerk pepper sauce man. Boy, rain kind of give me one little break. You still find pepper? Okay. Watch out. Oh, watch out. 1 bag of pepper. Our next bag. The plan is to get like 10 of them bags are full. Because one bag, one steel bag get 30 to 35 pounds of pepper. So 10 bag. 10 trees how much? I know 10 bag how much. More to make. Where do you show them? Control them. No business. Eh?
No man, I look my dad look for see man.
Yes, no more down there. You ready now?
So yeah, entirely. This is one big old play one on the young folk.
Right next week, them ready one. Come on, say yo. The pump we are go down your seed, so I just stop over one next farmer land. General in the background I work your seed. One of the funniest thing, the man have a bomber, the man have a man creating one tool them for working in the farm. As you can see my use one tool you know. Well he not really I show you right now, but yo, I want to skill this man me know right now for build tool for him farm, you see it? So yo, me out again.